What's up guys, this is Gerard, back to you with another video on taxation. In this video, I'm going to talk about senior citizens, discounts, and taxes. So the first question is, who are considered as senior citizens? Now, according to Republic Act 9994, they are individuals who are considered as resident citizens of the Philippines and at least 60 years of age. So again, in the Philippines, we have Republic Act 9994, which amends the previous law on senior citizens. It talks about the things like privileges for the senior citizens, government assistance, penalties of not honoring their privileges, and etc. Now, some of the renowned benefits for the senior citizen is the 20% discount subject to the guidelines of the SWD and DTI and the exemption from value-added tax or VAT, if applicable, on sale of goods and services from all establishments for the exclusive use and enjoyment or availment of the senior citizen. I will link in the description the goods and services that are given discounts. So in terms of computing the 20% discount for the senior citizen, some of the common questions are, what if the establishment selling the goods or services is VAT registered? The second one is if the purchase of goods or services are composed of non-senior citizens and senior citizens. To demonstrate, let's have some illustrative cases. In our first illustrative case, a senior citizen bought medicines and other medical supplies in a VAT-registered drugstore priced at 1,000 pesos, VAT inclusive. How much would be the amount to be paid by the senior citizen? Because the sale to senior citizens are VAT exempt, remove first the VAT portion of the transaction, which is 107.14. We would then get the sale net of VAT, in other words, the VAT exempt sale of 892 pesos 0.86. We can now compute the senior citizen discount by multiplying 892 pesos 0.86 by 20%. The discount then is 178 pesos 0.57. Therefore, the amount to be paid will be 714.29. To emphasize, this computation, which removes the VAT portion in the sales, is applicable only to VAT-registered entities. Conversely, non-VAT entities can directly multiply the 20% to the sale to compute the discount. In our second illustrative case, if a group of 5 individuals composed of 4 non-senior citizens and 1 senior citizen dines in a VAT-registered restaurant whose total amount ordered is 2,500, how should the group be billed? In this illustration, we will use this formula to compute the senior citizen discount. Once we determine the sale attributable to the elderly, we will remove the VAT on the sale, again to emphasize if the establishment is VATable, after which compute the 20% discount based on the amount without VAT. In this illustration, the discount is 89.29. Therefore, the amount to be billed to the group is the sale attributable to the elderly, which is net of VAT and 20% discount amounting to 337.14, plus the sale attributable to the non-senior citizens, the amount to be billed to the group is 2,357.14. In our third case, a senior citizen orders various dine-in foods, then takes home the leftovers. Is the order subject to 20% discount? The answer is yes, the senior citizen can avail the discount. Note that the 20% discount applies to dine-in, take-out, and take-home orders as long as it is the senior citizen who is present and personally ordering and can show a valid senior citizen ID card. Also, if such transaction is not part of bulk orders. According to the BIR, bulk orders are within the context of pre-contracted or pre-arranged group meals or packages, and hence, not entitled to 20% discount and VAT exemption. In our last illustrative case, a senior citizen purchased cigarettes. Will it be considered as consumables subject to 20% discount? The answer is no. Cigars, cigarettes, and vape products could be considered as consumables but are not classified as essential goods, being hazardous to the health of the senior citizens. Now, in the perspective of establishment giving the sales discounts to qualified senior citizens, they are required to keep a separate and accurate record of sales, which shall include the name of the senior citizen purchaser, Office for Senior Citizens Affair Identification Card, gross sales or gross receipts, sales discounts granted to the qualified elderly. Lastly, dates of transaction and invoice or official receipt number for every sales transaction to the senior citizen. Do take note of the invoicing requirements by the BIR. Finally, with regards to penalties, as stated in Section 7 of Republic Act 9994, any person who refuses to honor the senior citizen card issued by the government or violates any provisions of such law, they shall suffer the following penalties. And that's it. So as always, a huge thanks for watching. Do share this video to people with senior citizens and their families, or those individuals whom you think this video would be very useful. If you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos like this. So this is Gerard. Have a great day.